Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I paint these beautiful terracotta pots. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This time I want to cover all the pot in this color, so I'm going to put it on something that can hold it, so it will be the most comfortable. I'm just covering all the pot with this color. I'm doing 2 layers of paint and I let it completely dry between layers. I also seal the pots before I paint over them. You can see how I seal them in the first part of the video that I will link down below in the description and here on the top of the video. So about this medium, acrylic medium, it should make the paint matte. Also, it should make the paint waterproof, and we will see how it goes. It's the first time that I'm using it, so I really hope it's gonna be working as it should. So for this step, I'm going to make a stencil like that. You just need to take some paper, like a regular one, and then start cutting out. And just make sure that if you do that, it's covered nicely and you don't have any spaces. Then I will take this plastic paper, I don't know how to call it, and I will cut out like that. And basically I'm going to use only this part. And then you just need to wash it with water.